Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy Mwanja. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So today I'm very happy, I'm very grateful, and I thank God for that. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet your own hair, starting from the cornrows up to the way you're supposed to crochet. Everything. For starters, I've got you. So this is the center where I want my lines to be meeting. So I prefer these lines, these cornrows, because it doesn't limit you to style your crochet extensions. So you have to part your hair in sections to be easier for you to do the cornrows. So because it's crochet, and I don't want to, when I'm passing the crochet, I don't want to do what I don't want it to run. Is it run? Not really. I don't want it to be loose. Exactly, that is the word that I'll be looking for. I don't want it to be loose. So what I'll do, I will just use this a tiny thread just to make it safe and secure here in front. So what you need to do is, the others will use 3 strands, but as for me, I use like 2 strands. So what you need to do is the center. Then you grab your hair, then you place it, then you join the, so this other side is hanging, and then the other side you attach it with your hair so that you are able to braid as you move. So here, grab, then you pick the side of the thread that was hanging as you move. Yeah. So you get this, you pick this, cute. It's holiday seasons, it's almost Christmas. Da, 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 da. Ladies, if you're struggling, you don't know what to braid, you don't know what to put on your head, you don't know what to do, I recommend Riva curls from Darling Company. This is the one that I'll be using today. It is fabulous. It is amazing, as you will see in this video. Everything is done. You're done with your cornrows. The last thing before the crochet is to make sure that everything is, because also we need to put some extension over here, so you have to make sure that everything is in place. And you need a needle and a thread. So I'm going to join this. You should have your crochet, and then your hairs with extensions. I can't remember the name, but it looks like, I don't know, Maya, Victoria, but it is curly. It is curly. So I want to make sure that it is of the same length. So what you'll have to do is do this, like make sure it is of the same length. So this is my way of doing. I kind of twist it around my index finger. So you have it here. Then you have the crochet. Let me start from here. So you make sure your crochet is passing towards the start of your line. Yeah. Then you just go in there. It's close. So you go through just like that. So you do. So this is the center, and then you make sure it's passing through. So you do this to secure it. If you want it to be more secure, like you can leave it. I feel like I should leave this because it is at the front part, but again you can tie to make sure that it is super like secured. Yeah, then you can have it. The good thing with these extensions is that it's very light and hands protective. I used 1.5 packets, and you can see it is full and looking good. So you can style it in different ways. You want to put the band, push back, everything. Bye, see you in my next video. Love y'all.